KVM, standing for kernel-based virtual machines, are a full server virtualization solution that gives you the value of a dedicated server at just a fraction of the cost. The key advantage of KVM VPS servers over regular VPS servers is the level of virtualization. While most VPSs rely on OS-level virtualization, where the main server's OS is replicated across all VPSs and therefore the kernel is shared between them, the KVM VPS servers have full virtualization, where the entire hardware is completely simulated. This gives the server a dedicated virtual chunk of the main server's CPU and allows it to run any supported OS. This way you will get a guaranteed hardware allocation and full OS freedom at a much lower price as compared to standard dedicated server solutions. Also, the KVM technology helps increase disk and network I/O request processing speeds, which means a much improved server performance. With us, each KVM VPS is packed with its own server admin panel and a choice of operating systems and control panel at sign-up, which will install automatically. Each KVM also offers SSH full root access, a dedicated IP address, and a set of reseller hosting tools. Also, each KVM is backed up by a 99.9% network uptime guarantee and is configured within 1 hour of sign-up with no extra setup fees. Weekly data backups and 24/7 365 technical support for installed applications are included as well. As a member of our free reseller hosting program, you can offer low-cost KVM virtual private servers to your own clients without any startup fees, deposits, or recurring charges. So join us today and get what you want for your hosting needs, and also resell our services and make some extra money as well.